Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll see one more new topic in C4C, that is how we can schedule broadcast emails. ओके सो आप लोग शायद देखे होंगे कि सचराचर यहाँ पर एक रिक्वायरमेंट आता है कि मेरे पास एक रिपोर्ट है. दैट रिपोर्ट आई हैव टू सेंड अ पर्टिकुलर यूजर मंथली. Okay, let's suppose month end I have to send that report to those particular users. Okay, so that thing we can automate in C4C. So how to do that we'll learn today. Let's get started. So first you have to come here, business analytics, and you have to come here, this particular work center view, broadcast. Here you have to create a broadcast. Okay, so directly just you go a new button. Here you have to give the name and object name and all those things you have to fill here. So for my case I already prepared one report. Let me show that report first. So I'll go to the design report. Yeah, so this is the report I want to send. Okay, so this is the report. Let me show you how the data looks like. So here selection is view is already created and selections also already created. Okay, so this is the report looks like. So अब मेरे को क्या करना है, इस पर्टिकुलर रिपोर्ट को ब्रॉडकास्टिंग करना है मंथली बेसिस और लेट्स सपोज डेली बेसिस पे सेंड करना है यूजर को. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, सो यू हैव टू कम इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्क सेंटर व्यू ब्रॉडकास्ट. एंड हम लोग का रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है कि इस पर्टिकुलर रिपोर्ट का डेटा को सेंड करना है, राइट. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, ऑब्जेक्ट नेम के अंदर वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट रिपोर्ट. देयर इज टू ऑप्शन ओनली कमिंग, डैशबोर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट. सो हियर आई विल सिलेक्ट द रिपोर्ट. Then name, inside that name you can give any name, broadcasting name basically. And here I will select the object के अंदर we have to select the report name. You can see source report. So I will select the report name here. After that, channel is automatically selected as email. Subject I will select uh, monthly complaint registered report. Message के अंदर this is the message body, like a mail body. So I'll give hi team, this is a monthly. So like that you can give any message, like a template message body, whatever business will give you that you have to put here. And subject also they ideally provide what subject it should be. So I have given all this field here. After that you have to directly come here. I'll come to this button. You have to come here. This is your thing. Like here you have to mention particular user email ID. Okay. So for my case, I'll give, let's suppose I have to test this one also. So I'll give one ID here. Any user you can give. So I'll give this particular ID only. So here you can give as much as possible. Okay. तो यहाँ पर आपको बेसिकली आपको ईमेल आईडी मेंशन करना है जिस पर्टिकुलर ईमेल आईडी पे आप वो रिपोर्ट को सेंड करना चाहते हैं, करेक्ट. सो फॉर माय केस आई जस्ट गिवन ओनली वन ईमेल आईडी. यू कैन गिव एज मच एज योर रिक्वायरमेंट. अब इसके बाद दिस इज द फॉर्मेट. सो यहाँ पर बेसिकली रिपोर्ट आपका मेल का अटैचमेंट के अंदर ऐड होगा, राइट. सो दिस इज द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन यू हैव टू मेंटेन हियर, द व्हिच फॉर्मेट यू हैव टू सेंड द attachment. So ideally what we'll do, this one only, Microsoft Excel format. Then you have to select the view name. So here you can see in the drop down it will come those view only which are already configured in the report. Okay, so in the report you can see this is the view already created and those are the views are already, you can see it is created, and this is the selection parameter already created. So those only it will come in the drop down here. जो पर्टिकुलर व्यू को आपको रिपोर्ट का एग्जीक्यूट करना है वही यहाँ पर आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. फॉर माय केस आई हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस टू. chief is not required, and now here scheduling part is there. So there is two options, one is not scheduled and one is periodically. Okay, so let's suppose you want to send that particular mail immediately. Okay, broadcast you have to send immediately. In that case you have to do not schedule. Otherwise you have to, let's suppose monthly you have to send that email, right. So for my case what I said, monthly I have to send this report to users. So what I'll do, I'll select the periodically here. Frequency I'll select month. Okay, so month here, and start date you have to do, from which date you have to start. So ideally, let's suppose I will start from 1st August, and time you have to mention. Let's suppose I maintain 9. End date you have to maintain. When you have to maintain, that is not required. Let's suppose you have to send for unlimited time every month, so end date is not required here. Okay, so day of month मतलब कौन सा डे पे आप सेंड करना चाहते हो. So here it will show all the 1 2 31, it will show here. So first day में I want to send. Okay, frequency is every 1 month. every 1 month में start करना चाहते हैं. Start date is the uh, let's suppose that day only, and you can select here only weekdays. Only weekdays means Saturday Sunday it will consider as a weekday based on your organization level. In your organization, whatever weekday and work day is maintained, according to that it will work here. Okay, so for my case there is no weekday and maintained there organization level, so I'll put this one as a no. Okay, so this is will be the configuration, entire configuration to send a mail monthly basis. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just save this one. Then once check button is there, you can do the check. There's no error. Save and close. So let me show you. Yeah, so this is got created here. See, this is got created, and here you can see once got created, this is the one next run. Whatever started you have maintained that particular day, it will come here, and status is active. It should be active, then otherwise it will not work. So after that, multiple buttons are there. I'll come one by one all the buttons. So here you can see all the details, whatever you have maintained inside that report, the details it will show here. Frequency periodically, frequency 1 month. Okay, start date, end date, day of month, कौन सा date पे mail send होगा. Okay, all the things are there. I'll go to the report again, and here this part I think you have understood. Every months, every month. So let's suppose every month I want to send, that's why one you have to maintain here. Let's suppose you want to send that mail quarterly. Okay, quarterly means how many days, how many months, 3 months, right? So you have to maintain here 3. So every 3 months that mail will be sent. So for my case, every month I want to send the mail, that's what you have to maintain here 1. Save and close. Yeah, so this is done here. Okay, so like that you can create a broadcast email. Schedule, you can see next run, it will show here last broadcast. Like once the email is got triggered, broadcast is triggered, it will show here. So just to demonstrate how the mail looks like, I'll create one more broadcast email, and let's see, I'll copy that one. Name will be same, everything will be same, email, everything will be same here, and here you can see everything will be same here. Let's suppose I want to send that broadcast mail immediately. In this case, what I have to do, if you have to select as not scheduled. Okay, nothing else. Okay, not scheduled, that's it. Save, check, and save and close. So one more mail, this is got triggered, this is got created here. Okay, this is manually processed. So here you can see this is the broadcast mail email, a broadcast I have selected, I have created before. This is active status, and this is showing as manual. Okay, because there is no periodically, हम लोग मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हैं, राइट? कब इस ब्रॉडकास्ट को रन करना है, राइट? So in that case, everything is blank here. Now you have to select this one, and you have to start. Once you start, that broadcast will be scheduled. Okay, then start now. Here you can see this particular warning will come here. Status, it will show broadcast processing is in progress. Okay, so just wait for 1 minute. Then just refresh that. Now how we can see that broadcast is sent or not, or any, let's suppose any error is occurred or not, how we can check? You can go there, this particular 3 dot button, view logs. Here it will show what is the status. Yeah, see, it's coming here, green button here. Now you can go to the view logs. Inside that view logs, you can see to descending. Yeah, once I descending, it will show. Correct. Everything is tick marked here. So like that, you can check that broadcast email is successfully sent or not. Okay. So I have received an email, and in that email, report attachment should be there. Correct. Let me show that email. Yeah. See, this is the email just now I have received. तो पॉडकास्ट के अंदर जो हम लोग सब्जेक्ट मेंटेन किए थे वो यहाँ पर आ गया। ये यहाँ पर ईमेल आईडी आ गया, कौन सा ईमेल आईडी से, रिसीवर ईमेल आईडी, सेंडर ईमेल आईडी काम आ गया, रिसीवर आईडी ईमेल आईडी आ गया, एंड जो डिस्क्रिप्शन हम लोग वहाँ पर मैसेज के अंदर डाले थे बॉडी, वो यहाँ पर सेम एट इज इट आ गया, एंड रिपोर्ट अटैचमेंट यहाँ पर आ गया। आप रिव्यू कर सकते हो। अब यहाँ पे सेम जो रिपोर्ट में उस पर्टिकुलर सिलेक्शन के लिए एंड व्यू के लिए शो कर रहा था, सेम मेरे को रिपोर्ट के अंदर रिसीव हो गया। सो दिस इज अ वेरी कूल फीचर। नाउ लेट मी गो टू देयर अगेन। या, दिस इज द थिंग how we can schedule a broadcast email. Now I'll just elaborate the some more feature here, how what SAP is given. So I'll go there inside that. Yeah, so let me I'll just explain this part one more time. I want to explain this part one more time. Let's suppose you want to send email yearly. Okay, yearly once you have to send that email. So what you have to do, you have to select, see there is no year ka option is there, correct? So what you have to mention here, every 12 months. So 12 months is basically every 1 year, correct? So every 12 months you have to maintain here. And let's suppose requirement came like every year ka 1st July mein I have to send that email. Okay, so start date will be your this is my already August 26th. So every year April month I have to send that email, right? So what I have to do, next year August month, April I will select, and 1st April I will select. Morning 9 p.m. that mail will be sent. End date is not required. Every month of first day 1 May it will send. Yeah, that's it. This is the thing. If you do that, the mail will be sent every year 1st April. Okay, that's it. This is the thing. And the next point I want to mention this one, use broadcast blasting. Okay, so what this feature is, if you enable this, what it will ask, attribute for email. Okay, attribute for email के अंदर you can see all the columns here it is coming. So if you just observe the columns, whatever it is coming here, that is the report का column. Okay, report में जो column है वो column only it will coming here. So how this is work, let's suppose जो रिपोर्ट है उस रिपोर्ट में जो ईमेल आईडी कैप्चर होगा, ओके, उस पर्टिकुलर रिपोर्ट के अंदर लेट्स सपोज सेल्स एम्प्लॉय है, ठीक है, तो जो सेल्स एम्प्लॉय रहेगा उस रिपोर्ट के अंदर, उसी को वो मेल फॉरवर्ड करना चाहिए, मेल जाना चाहिए उन सभी को। जैसे कि हम इस केस में हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, जैसे कि यहाँ पर एक एक करके ईमेल आईडी मेंटेन कर रहे थे, उस केस में क्या होगा, बल्क में बहुत सारा यूजर को ईमेल आईडी सेंड होगा। लेट्स सपोज 100 यूजर है, 100 यूजर को मेरे को ईमेल सेंड करना है, तो इस केस में क्या मैं 100 यहाँ पर टाइप करूंगा, नहीं। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, वट एवर रिपोर्ट आई वांट टू सेंड, इन दैट रिपोर्ट आई हैव टू वन कॉलम लाइक ईमेल। ओके, ईमेल एड्रेस करके एक कॉलम ऐड करना पड़ेगा, एंड उस ईमेल एड्रेस कॉलम के अंदर वो ईमेल आईडी मेंटेन होना चाहिए। जो ईमेल आईडी उस रिपोर्ट के अंदर रहेगा, उस पर्टिकुलर ईमेल को उस पर्टिकुलर यूजर्स को ये मेल रिसीव हो जाएगा। दैट इज द यूज केस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर check button. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I think you understand the entire thing here, how that broadcasting is working, and yeah, this is very straightforward and this is a very cool feature SAP is provided. So I thought I have to share my knowledge with you. आपको अगर किसी पर डाउट है, किसी जगह में कहीं पर डाउट हो रहा है, then you can ask me. Comment section is already open for you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।